all has the same purpose, to slow the dogs down. You can use it a couple different ways. You can use both of your heels, or you can use one foot or the other. If you watch me, you'll see that I'm constantly moving from side to side because that's just how you steer. It's like your body weight. So if we're going to go this way, I'll probably be on this runner with a little weight on the drag mat. And I don't want to go too much into it because it can sound really complicated.
So today was our training day. We each got our own team of 6 dogs, and Lisbeth, who owns all these, look at that dog, she arranged whatever dogs that went for us, like pulled our sled, and I guess it's, you know, their personalities go together and they have lead dogs and stuff. So it was about 17 degrees today. I don't know how many layers I have on right now. Probably 6 layers right now in this parka that's super warm. I'm actually warm. I'm not even cold. So, and also my friend Becky made this beautiful hat that was just so perfect today. Anyways, we had just the time of our lives. We got to pick out, you know, go get our dogs and hook them up and learn how to slow down and how to stop and how to turn, and if we flip over what we do and stuff, which I did. I turned over today. I fell off the thing on a sharp turn, but I'm having a ball. So we're gonna go eat something, and then we're gonna go back and sleep tonight, and then come back for a full day tomorrow of, I think, 14 miles. So I'll try and record some of that. So anyways, I'll get some more footage for you on here. Okay, bye Mom and Dad, bye.